There is so much more to making a good breakfast tea than just pouring hot water over a tea bag. This is the Tea Makers of London's tutorial on how to make the perfect English breakfast tea.
You'll need a teapot, your tea leaves and a kettle, but you can also use a timer, spoon, tea dish and scales for precision. Using a scale, measure 3 to 4 grams of tea leaves. These go straight into the teapot and over the top pour water at 100 degrees Celsius. Black tea withstands heat well, so the boiling water really brings out the flavour. Brew for 3 to 5 minutes. If you prefer your tea black, aim for 3 minutes. For a stronger flavour, extend the brew to 5 minutes. Loose leaf tea typically requires more time to infuse than standard supermarket tea, so allow a minimum of 3 minutes. Avoid brewing for longer than 5 minutes, as this can result in a bitter and unpleasant taste. Pour your tea into your preferred mug and enjoy.
All of our breakfast teas are brewed using the same process, so you can apply this video to our Assam breakfast tea, our Ceylon breakfast tea and our Golden London breakfast tea. Although all of our breakfast teas are delicious black, you can also customise them and add sugar, milk, honey and really make it your own.